show up Wednesday afternoon.
Yeah.
And if you want to, you can go out for a trial run, as they call it, practice.
Yeah.
Supper is hot dogs, baked beans, and chili.
Yeah.
Thursday morning, you get up, everybody goes fishing.
Yeah.
You find a boat, you jump on it, big break. And then weigh in at 6 o'clock. You can come in for lunch and sandwich meat and all that kind of stuff. Or you can make sandwiches and take them with you.
Yeah.
And a lot of them stay out all day long.
Yeah.
Come in at 6, have the weigh in. Thursday night is dinner at the local restaurant.
Uh-huh.
And then Friday, same thing, get up, eat some breakfast, roll it, make some sandwich, get that Saturday, same thing, get up,
I don't think I can fish that.
Head out,
You know, I went out with what's that guy's name? Jim. I went out with Jim. We got out there about 5 in the morning, by about lunch. I was ready to go. He said, "You want to go do this?" I said, "No, I want to go home now. That's enough." Oh, this is good, honey, baby. It's good. Yeah. I'm gonna go a little faster, see if she blows up. Look out, there's a fast boat. Yeah. All right, let's see how fast she'll go. Oh Lord, she got power. Cause of that. That little wing, did it come out of the water?
Unless his captain takes it off.
Came out of the water.
It's starting to come out of the water.
Should it go down more?
Well, I think it's down as far as it'll go.
How do you know?
Well, some of them have a trim tag, but you don't. You just push it till it, well, it'll wind even if it stops on wind.
Here, you hold camera, I'll go look.
Don't fall in.
Okay, push it down, see what happens. Yeah, she's all the way down.
Yeah.
So I guess if I get faster than so much, she just comes out of the
That's
water.
the way the water comes through the pontoons.
Yeah.
It's probably where you're not getting any water in there.
That's still pretty fast for a pontoon boat, so even going that slow is fast for me. Oops.
Does your speed on the water?
No, I got a RPM gauge. I don't have speed on it. Oh yeah, you got a thing, don't you?
Well, I got a thing for you up.
I got a thing in my phone, yeah.
You can pick it up.
Okay. That's not it, folks.
It's telling you to make a U-turn to take me home.
Is it time to take you home yet?
Huh?
Is it time to take you home yet? Huh?
I put my home address and it said make U-turn.
I got you. I'm gonna turn this off. It's too complicated to hold that and drive. Captain Butch.
Hey y'all.
First Lieutenant Bobby Alexander.
Hey y'all.
Honey babe, Dixie. Say hi, Dixie. I'll take it home tonight, and then if it's gonna rain, we'll put it up in the sun. Yeah. Tale of a big boat trip that started from this tiny port aboard this big old ship. How we doing so far? You don't want to know.
It's fine for two of us.
Shaw's got one.
I thought we had it. They caught us out on the water.
You know that boat, I mean, it's a two-stroke,
Yeah.
and there's a vibration in it that you feel when you're going down the lake. I'd love to have a four-stroke like this on that boat, as smooth as that is. I mean, that would make it a lot more fun, but it would also make it a lot more tempting for somebody to steal it. Because I leave it in the water over there most of the year, and if it had a four-stroke on it,
Like that.
as it is, I don't think anybody's going to steal it for that two-stroke on it, so. Oh, this is good. I smell the fish.
Now, I got some pontoon Dixie.
Needs a tie rod end on it.
Got a four-stroke in
He's
there.
just playing with the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Doesn't really need to.
Die hard two-stroke is on the more expensive company. This thing on, you gotta change the oil, all that kind of crap.
Yeah.
For the flatness and everything, I'll take it.
I've never been really a fan of a two-stroke.
Really?
I've never been a fan of a two-stroke, no.
Why's that?
I don't understand them. I understand the four-stroke because I've had them apart and back together, but I've really never messed with two-strokes much. I know everybody says they're really easy and simple, but if you don't, I just never messed with them. We got enough room to do the happy dance on the boat here with that turn on. I appreciate you coming out with us. We come back out the other day, or Monday, ain't nobody gonna be on the lake tomorrow. Where is the kill switch on this? Okay, so if you pull that out, that's a kill switch.
If I pull it out, it cut off.
Okay, we're gonna pull it out.
We're supposed to have this open right.
Yeah.
So if I fall out, it shuts off.
I don't think you're gonna fall out. That's a kill switch.
If I pull this out, it shuts off. So if you're driving all these fish screens, you see how
I'm gonna be looking for a couple of speakers to go in the ends of these things here. I don't think it had any in it when I got it, and there's a fairly big hole. I tried taking ones that was in the Studebaker and putting them in there, but they was too big for the hole. So, something I can look for.
This is what we had to see.
No, I mean this is fine.
If you got a bunch of people,
Yeah,
and we're not in there for 1,000 RPM.
right.
If you had a bunch of people just cruising,
Well, Bill said on his, you know, that if you wound it up, it'd run through gas like crazy, but running around at a speed like this has got to be a lot better on gas and all.
that's speed costs money.
Speed costs money.
How fast does money go?
Yeah, sure does.
Yep. The slower till those gas prices come down.
That was a point. Youngster,
Yeah.
driving the GPO.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I love getting in one of these speed comes. There's truth in that.
There is some truth in that, yeah. You have to pay the cost to be the boss.
I like that. Pay the cost to be the boss.
Yeah.
Put something in this hole, huh?
Well, that's where the table goes.
Huh?
That's where this table goes.
No, that. Dang it. You should put right down in the water. It used to be all open.
Oh yeah, there's a,
You put something in
yeah,
there.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's back here. I'd raise it up, but it'd fall off, so. I thought about putting it on while Bobby was there, and I thought, well, let's see, how would I do that? Oh, isn't that a beautiful thing?